Hey guys, what's up? So today we're making a set of lift blocks for the Silverado here so we can get it leveled out. I'm sure you guys have noticed how it's pretty raked. You know, we're doing this because Rick's not ready to do a 4-link in the back yet, so we're going to just go ahead and do a set of 6-inch lift blocks to level it out. And you know, it already has 6-inch rebent springs on the back, so this is custom to get it lifted this high. So we'll get these cut out and made, and then it's like one of the last parts we have to do. We have to get a ball joint press from the snap-on guy here to put the Weaver Fabrication Heister knuckle on that they modified. Install that, make it steering rod that goes from it up to the steering box. Take it for a test drive, and if everything's good and I don't have to change steering geometry or anything, you know, we'd hate to have to change any of it after it was powdered, right? And then have to send parts reback to powder coating. Totally aggravating. So we'll go ahead and get these cut out and made for it today, and then the next episode here we'll build the steering rods and stuff before that test drive. But today we're going to go ahead and get these lift blocks made, cut out, welded together, and then we got to order some U-bolts from Tacoma Leaf Spring that are the right diameter for that axle tube, and you know, long enough for the spring pack and the lift blocks. So let's get started today guys, and get these cut out. Alright guys, now that we got all these cut out, Justin's got them all metal prepped. He's going to go ahead and take these pieces that we weren't cutting right because the tip was screwing with us. We had the wrong tip in there. And he's going to weld these together, practicing so he can get back into remembering how to weld. Like, not remembering how, he's done it a long time, but just, you know, he hasn't done it for a little while, so just kind of getting back into the groove. Do a little bit of practice welding on those guys. And then we'll move on to finished metal prepping these, and we'll tack them together, make sure they're good, and then we'll fully weld them up. So let's do it, guys. Alright guys, that finishes up this episode of Cougar House Garage. We got one of the lift blocks fully welded together. The first one we actually welded together was just a practice piece out of some pieces that when we were cutting the lift blocks out, like the tip would wear out, so we'd say, okay, that piece is just a scrap piece, so we use that. and he welded together a whole one so he could just get good practice in and get wrapped up on his welding. And then he went ahead and moved on to the good one, and he fully welded one of them together. We'll come in here in the morning and he'll weld together the other one, and then we'll take the U-bolts off the back of the truck. We'll level it out with the lift, put levels on it and stuff, and angle finders. And then we'll be able to measure the axle tube diameter, and we'll call up Tacoma Leaf Spring and we'll order up some U-bolts that are long enough for our 6-inch blocks, our spring pack, and the axle tube itself. So we'll catch you guys in the morning, and we'll bring you guys along with giving them a call and getting those adjustments getting those right measurements to them so they can custom make us some U-bolts. And then we'll take you guys up there when we go pick them up. It'll be a cool trip. It's a pretty cool little place. They actually completely rebuild leaf springs there. They like rebend them and then reassemble them and paint them and stuff. But alright guys, thanks for watching today. Thanks for your constant support as always. Please leave a comment. Let us know what you think of the Silverado and the lift blocks. And if you guys like Cougar House Garage, you like what we do, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook/Cougar House Garage. And then we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Follow along with all the crazy projects there. We'll see you tomorrow.